What's up, YouTube? Today we're playing some Murder Mystery 2. Let's hop into it. Wait, am I not using my face recorder? Cause I don't know. I can't see it. Wow. But let's just hop into Murder Mystery 2. Loading world. Hurry up and effing load. This is taking so long out of my video. Oh my god, would you just hurry up? Thank you. Thank you. Yay! Homie, I'm noob with Galicia. Shop. 131 coins. View. Legendary medal, 4 legendary shards. One more rare shard. Wait, hold on, I can craft an uncommon weapon. There. That's it. Salvaging it. Accept that friend request from my brother Bacon Noob. There. I can get a rare weapon. Okay, it's around. Ooh, sheriff. Go down here, collect a coin. I'm gonna follow this dude. Dead. Man, I'm innocent. see if there's any coins. What the heck? There wasn't any coins, but there was a creepy lady up here. That was just scary. Boy, you have lots of Robux. Knife man. Man. I'm so sorry. I have no Robux. Who's the murderer? Oh my god, it's Bacon Hair. Bacon Hair, I thought we were friends. I thought we were friends, Bacon Hair. I'm so sorry. But I guess we're not friends. If you just could, everybody. I thought we were friends. But you just wanna murder me. Now you just wanna track me down. Kill me with a knife. 'Cause you're the murderer. You have knives and everything. You can't hurt me now. I gotta be the one who on the run. Whip, whip, draw me like a race. Oh no, he's right there. Got him with the snipe. Wait, hold on. Guys, I've been trying to slashy dance. But, guys, I think I just pressed a button and then I think I saw my face cam. Wait, I'm using my arrow keys. Huh. I thought he was the murderer. Hey. Bacon girl. Oh my God. Candy! Chill! Clockwork. Hollow's blade on a sharp night, meeting red look sugar on winter's sword. Oh my God. Oh my God, that dude was rich. Yeet! I went straight to the murderer, then ran. I am Rick. I'm just gonna tell everybody that I'm Rick. I am Rick on YouTube. So, let's get into a video. Two slices. 10 coins. No. It's her again. No, I died. $160 coins. Let's see what I can afford. Alright, I need 200. Perks. Nothing. Man. This is just stupid. I have almost no coins on this account. Bruh. You've got to be joking. Hey guys, please give me the code for that, what you call it?